our sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 28¼ inches, a depth of 34 inches. 34 inches is from the cutting board towards the back of the prep table. Minus the cutting board, we have 31½ inches tall. Overall height with wheels, we have 47 inches and 36 inches minus the top cover. Coming to the top will consist of 9 1/6 pans and 3 1/9 pans, a total of 12 pans that will be included. Measurements for each of the 1/6 pans will include 6¼ inches, a depth of 6 3/4 inches, and a height of 4 inches tall. Interior dimensions will include 5 1/4 inches in length, 5 3/4 inches in depth, also by 4 inches tall. Measurements apply for each of the 9 1/6 pans included. Measurements for the 1/9 pans will include 4 1/4 inches in length, 6 3/4 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Interior dimensions will be 3 1/4 inches in length, 5 3/4 inches in depth, also by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 3 1/9 pans. Measurement for the cutting board will include 28 1/4 inches by 8 1/4 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom will be the refrigeration compartment, and included will be one adjustable shelf. Measurement for the shelf will include 17 1/4 inches in depth by 23 inches in length. The shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. Interior dimensions for the prep table will include 24 inches in length, 19 3/4 inches in depth, by 21 inches in height. Please note that there's a step on the back of the prep table, and the bottom depth with the step included will be 11 3/4 inches. Coming to the top left column will be an ETL NSF certification. Included will be a user manual along with keys that can be used for lockup whenever this prep table is not in operation. Coming to the front, at the bottom of the cutting board will be the power switch along with the Dixel controller to run and operate this prep table. Last but not least, this prep table runs on 110 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.